Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
I will show the fastest way to get a p-value in Excel using Test. Open your workbook and place the two data ranges on the sheet side by side. Click an empty cell where you want the p-value result to appear. Type equals test, then select the first data range and a comma. Select the second data range and a comma. Enter 2 for a two-tailed test, a comma, then 3 or 1 for paired or unequal variance testing. Press Enter to return the p-value instantly, and proceed to formatting. You can also use the Data Analysis Toolpack to get p-values with detailed output. First, enable the add-in from File, Options, Add-ins, and Manage Excel Add-ins. Then open Data Analysis from the Data tab and pick the appropriate t-test option. Enter your two input ranges, set hypothesized mean difference to 0, and select labels if your ranges include headers. Choose an output range and click OK. The generated table includes t-statistic, degrees of freedom, and the p-value in the two-tailed t less or equal t column. Finally, learn to interpret and format p-values correctly for reports or presentations. If you already have a t-statistic, use equals dist, 2t, abs t, df, to compute a two-tailed p-value manually in Excel. Choose number or scientific formatting to display small p-values like 1, 23E0 for clearly for readers. Remember to decide between one-tailed and two-tailed tests before reporting. State your alpha. For example, 0, 0.5, and compare p-value to alpha to accept or reject the null hypothesis.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.